Hey guys!
Welcome back.
We're the Puzzle Couple, and we are here with a new puzzle. This one is going to be an Aimee Stewart one. It's 1,000 pieces. Aimee Stewart's, I guess, does Buffalo. I'm not sure if any of the other companies have Aimee Stewart stuff. But yeah, this one looks very cool, very colorful.
Oh my gosh, how colorful is that?
Yeah, all the toys and everything else. This is going to be interesting.
Mm-hmm. I am so excited about this one.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when I first saw this, I had to have it because this is called yard sale.
And she likes yard sales.
I really do. And so my brother would tease that, like in Arizona, it must be... On what side of Arizona were we on?
The west side?
The west side, yeah.
Yeah.
And what side was he on?
He would have been on the east.
East. So he said...
Well, southeast, yeah. So.
Yeah, because he said it must be like on like where we're at. He said it must be the thing with the garage sales because his friends that were on our side would say like, "Oh, I bought a lamp at a garage sale this weekend." Mm-hmm. So it's really funny. So I think that when you're in Arizona, that's just like one of the things you can do on the weekend.
It is. A lot of people have yard sales. Of course, it also depends on what side of the of Phoenix area you live on, I think, mm-hmm. because some sides are going to be more into the garage sale stuff just because of the way things are than other sides of the...
Yeah.
So,
certain other sides had...
Look down on that.
Yeah, I did not find that to be so enjoyable. But like my favorite thing is I like to not know, like I have no list in my head what I'm looking for, and then I'll go to sales and then I'll think, oh, I really need this. Mm-hmm. When we were living at the house that we were at with family, we always ran out of spoons. So as a joke at yard sales, I kept buying spoons and then sticking them in the dishwasher, so whoever unloaded the dishwasher, like after they were washed, would end up with like a lot more spoons in the drawer. It was so funny until when we moved out, I was unloading my box of things and I ended up with all the spoons. So apparently they knew that I was
probably. I'm sure they weren't going like, where'd these spoons come from?
Yeah.
I'm sure they knew.
Nuts.
But who knows?
I was kind of hoping maybe they would be a little
surprised. Or like, where does this come from?
Yeah.
Anyhow, this one should be a lot of fun. We like Buffalo. It's 1,000 pieces. Like she said, it's a yard sale by Aimee Stewart. Mm-hmm. Lots of colors, lots of interesting things. It came with a poster, which we love when it comes with a poster because this is going to help out immensely.
The poster is huge.
Mm-hmm.
The pieces are not so big. The pieces are...
Well, they're pretty thick.
They're thick, but look how small they are. They're very tiny.
Yeah. So this one is... What is the size on this one? Did it say? 26 3/4 by 19 3/4. So and those are inches, if you're asking. So it's 68... centimeters by 50 centimeters.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And the age on this is 14
plus. Yeah.
That's interesting because one of the people that we puzzle with, she said that the age on the puzzle she's doing is an 8 and plus. Older. Mm-hmm. And she said that there's no way, she didn't think like
a kid could do it.
A kid would want to do a puzzle like that. So,
you never know.
Yeah, you never know.
Kids can surprise you.
Oh my god, especially there's like prodigies out there. Mm-hmm. Like that's Karen true. Puzzles. She's probably...
Yeah, she might. She's really good at it, so...
A prodigy, so...
I don't know when she started puzzling. That would be interesting. I'm sure she's probably talked about it before.
Yeah.
But anyhow, hope you guys like this one. We will talk to you at the end and let you know how we liked it, if we liked it, if it was missing pieces. So we will talk to you later on it. Bye.
Bye. we did it.
Yes, we did.
And it was so colorful. And the whole time it just made me want to go yard selling. So that's fun.
That's not good.
There's a couple I keep seeing signs, but I haven't gone. I've been very, very good.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like there's as many yard sales out here as there was, let's say, in Arizona.
Yeah.
I remember a lot out there, so maybe we just weren't looking like we did when we were out there.
Probably.
So, I don't know.
I don't either. But I have found a lot of cool things. I got this shirt at a sale.
Yep.
50 cents. Yeah, I didn't pay much for it, but it was cute, so I was like,
cute. Yeah.
I grabbed it.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, okay, guys, so we did the puzzle. There was a couple false fits,
Yeah.
like towards the end of it, you're gonna see us kind of taking apart the tree and putting it back together.
Yep.
Because for some reason, it looked like it.
It looked like it fit in the right spot, but it wasn't. It was in a different spot, which should have been noticeable because it did have like the little bird on it, and on the poster you could see that the two birds were together instead of separate. So we should have caught that a while longer.
It was probably me.
I wouldn't say that. But anyhow, we did get it done. It was really an amazing puzzle. We love the ones that have a lot of color to them. You know, a lot of texture, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
I like that, you know, so.
I was waiting a while to do this Aimee Stewart puzzle. I had taken pictures of everything that I had gotten, and I showed the puzzle group that we puzzle with, and they wanted to do that puzzle really badly, so I went ahead and gave it to them to do. So I got it back, and we finally were able to do it. Yeah. So I actually really like Aimee Stewart, and I would definitely pick up more of her puzzles.
Oh, most definitely. Most definitely. When we see them, we see a lot of them, it seems like. There is quite a few of them. A lot of, well, not a lot of times, but sometimes even the thrift store type ones can get kind of expensive. So sometimes we just have to say, nope.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, because if I'm going to pay that much, I'd rather
know for sure.
That
that's going to have the whole puzzle.
Yeah, all the pieces are there.
Exactly.
So, but you know, some of these puzzles, if they're like, you know, not too much, I'm willing to take the risk. Live dangerously.
Right? Exactly.
So
exactly. If it's $1 or something or $2 and it's missing a piece or two, not that big of a deal. But if you're paying $8 or $9 for something, it's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, definitely.
So, anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed us doing this puzzle, and hopefully you'll be to the next one. Just go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We keep doing these, you know, at least once a week. We might be trying to do more of them here soon. We'll see if we can do it. Because we are trying to get a little faster, although we just want to do this to enjoy. But it would still be nice to be a little faster at doing these kind of things. This one took about 4 hours off and on, because we'd only have a couple hours or an hour or so every night to do it. So this is what you got. But anyhow, like and subscribe, and we will talk to you later.
Bye guys.